In this video, we are going to talk about how to use Rank Math SEO plugin to optimize our WordPress images so that they can get a better ranking in Google search results. So how it is done and how Rank Math SEO plugin can help us in that, we will find out all in this video. So let's begin. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. So whenever we create any WordPress website, whether it's a corporate site or maybe e-commerce, we use a lot of images. And these images can also help us drive traffic from Google search results. But for that, we need to make sure that all our images are SEO optimized so that they can get indexed and ranked on Google search results. And for the same, we will take help of Rank Math SEO plugin. So let's dive in our WordPress backend and I'll show you how you can optimize your WordPress images using Rank Math SEO plugin. So here we are in our WordPress dashboard. And we have already installed and set up our Rank Math SEO plugin. And if you want to learn how you can install and set up Rank Math on your WordPress website, then make sure you watch this video in the I button above. And I will leave a link in the description as well for the complete playlist about Rank Math. So we go to Rank Math from here. In our dashboard, we have an option for image SEO here. So we need to make sure that we turn this on so that we can do all the settings related to image SEO. And now we will go to settings from here. So as we are using the free version of Rank Math SEO plugin for image optimization, we get these two options. And the first one is to add missing alt attribute, which means that for all the images in our WordPress media library where we do not have image, alt text or alternate text assigned to them, with this Rank Math SEO plugin option, we can assign a general alt attribute tag to all the images in our media library. So for example, if we go to our media library, so here in our media library, we have these two images. And if we choose this one, here we can see that we do not have any alt text or alternative text assigned to this image. So whenever we add this image to any page or blog post, our alt tag will always remain blank unless we assign a alternate text on that particular page or blog post. So in situations like this option comes handy, where it will assign alt attribute in this format, where it will use the WordPress variables like this one. So the alt tag assigned to all these images will be like file name. And after that, we have another variable that is site name. So the alt tag will be file name and along with that, the site name of our WordPress site. So we can play around with all the variables available here and we can make our own alt attribute format here. And similarly, we have another option that is add missing title attributes. So if we turn that on, we can create a title attribute format using the same WordPress variables, and whenever there is an image which do not have title attribute, it will assign title to that image. But I think you will never get a chance to use it because whenever we upload any image in the WordPress library, it automatically assigns the file name as the title of the image. So there is a very low chance that whenever someone upload any image in the WordPress media library and the title remains blank. Just in case, to be on the safer side, we turn this on, assign our title attribute here, so that if in case there is any image which is missing title attribute, we can use this option to assign a generic title to all these kind of images. And these two are the options that are available in the free version of Rank Math SEO plugin. If we upload the Rank Math Pro, that is the paid version of Rank Math, we will see that there are some more options. So let's go ahead and upload a Pro version and let's see what all options are available with that. So we already have a zip file of the Pro plugin. We just need to go to plugins, add new. And in the upload plugin section, we will just upload the zip file of our Rank Math Pro. So if you want to check what all options are available with Rank Math Pro, that is the paid version, I will leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and check out their website and see if there is anything that is useful for you to purchase. So for now, we just go ahead and select our zip file from here And here is our zip file for the Pro version. We install that plugin and then just click on Activate Plugin. Alright, so now the plugin is installed. We have Rank Math SEO and the Rank Math SEO Pro. So now let's go back in our general settings, and in the image optimization section, we already have the alt attribute and the title attribute option. And if we scroll down, we now have a new option that is add missing image caption. So if we turn that on, we get an option like the title and the alt that we have already assigned. So similarly, we can use the WordPress variables to assign missing captions for all the images. So whenever there is an image without any caption, so with this rank math option, we can assign a generic caption for all these images. And similarly, we have missing image description option. Again, we can use the WordPress variables to create the format, and for all the images which do not have the description, a description will be assigned to them. So here we have option for no change and sentence case, all lowercase and uppercase. So according to your requirement, you can change the case of how your title will look in the code. So I will leave this as it is. And below that, we have the same option for alt attribute. You can change the case type of your alt attribute here. And below that, we have the same option for description as well. So I will leave them as it is. And after that, we have an alt attribute for avatars. So let's turn that on. So this option is useful in case you are using comment section on your WordPress website. So whenever someone posts any comment and we see a profile image that is the avatar of that username, so that image will now have an alt tag, which is the username of that profile. There is no option to create a format like we have in title or alt, but it will always take the username of that profile as alt tag. So it's a good option to have. And at the end, we have a very interesting option where we have an option for find and replace any term or any keyword in alt, caption or title, or all of them. And you can update your alt tag, your caption or title for all the images. And for example, like we have here M3 logo. So if we go ahead and type in M3 and we want this to be updated as M3 as words instead of numeric, at all the places where this plugin will find M3 written in alt, caption or title, that will be replaced by M3 as words. So this is an interesting option, and if you think that is something useful for your website, so you have it here. So after all these things, let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. So these are some additional options that are available with the Pro version of Rank Math for image optimization on our WordPress website. Now let's go ahead and take an example of how Rank Math SEO plugin assign this missing alternate text attribute to our images. So for that, we have this sample page where we have two images here. And if we go ahead and edit this page, we see that the alt text is right now blank. And if we scroll down, for this image, we have added alternate text as Rank Math tutorial just to give it any random alternate text. And if we go ahead and inspect this image from here, we can see that the alternate text is the file name as well as the site title, which is Instant Index 1. So that's what we have assigned here as an alt attribute format, that is file name as well as the site name. And now if we go ahead and inspect this image, and we can see that alternate text is Rank Math Tutorials, which we have assigned here while we were editing this page. So it means that whenever Rank Math SEO plugin see that there is a missing alt tag for an image, it will assign this file name as well as a site name combination as alternative text or alt text to that image. So these are the two options that are available in the free version of Rank Math SEO plugin. So there are few more options that are available in the paid or the premium version of Rank Math SEO plugin. So now we go ahead and update our plugin to the paid version and then see what all options are available for this image optimization option. So now we have added the Pro version of Rank Math SEO plugin on our WordPress website. And once again, if we go back to Rank Math and then we go ahead and click on settings for image SEO. And now we see we have lot more option added here. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of them one by one. So after we added missing title attribute in the free version, we now get an option to add missing image caption. So if we turn that on, we can again go ahead and enter the caption format here using the WordPress variables. And if we go in our media library, we can see that it will assign a caption for all the empty captions for the images in our media library. After that, we have the missing image description as well. So once again, if we turn that on, we can use the description format using the WordPress variables, and it will assign a description to all the images which are missing with this description tag. And after that, we have option for change title casing. So we can change how our title tag will look. So it will be a sentence casing, all lowercase or uppercase. So you don't have to worry much about it. And same goes with the change alt attribute casing. You can change the casing if you want. And same goes with the description casing as well. So I think there is nothing much to worry about. So you can leave it as it is. And after that, we have an option for add alt attribute for avatars. So if you are using comment section on your WordPress website, and there will be some avatars for those who are commenting on that blog post. So for that avatar image, so once we turn this option on, it will add alternate text attribute for all those avatars. And the value will be the username of that avatar. So here you cannot enter any custom value using the WordPress variables. So it will always take the username of that profile. And at the bottom, we have a very interesting option, which is replacement. Here we can find some terms and then replace that with some other terms. And we can do this find and replace process on alt tags, on titles, or on captions, or on all of them. So if there is anything you want to find and replace on your alternate text or on your title or on your image descriptions, you can do that from here. So I'm sure this is very rare that you would like to do that, but the option is here just in case you want to do it. So once we add the pro version, we get all these image optimization options. So this is how easy it is to use Rank Math SEO plugin to optimize your WordPress website images so that they can get indexed and get better ranking in Google search results. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to learn more about Rank Math, you can watch our complete playlist about Rank Math here in the I button above, and I will leave a link in the description as well. And if you want to learn more about WordPress in general, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.